Hi guys, we're out in my shelter in the garden. Just going to try something out. Somebody has told me that I can remove items that I've super glued into the PLA on this 3D printed thing by using acetone. Now this nail polish remover should contain acetone. Yeah, it says acetone on there. It's not 100% acetone, so it's going to be a weak solution. But what I'm going to do is pour it into this plastic lid. In fact, I'll pour it through over the top of this, so it should soak in there, and it should release the super glue that I've got holding those magnets in place. I don't know if I can do this left-handed, because I am right-handed. Not very neatly, obviously. One reason for doing it out here, because it's going to stink. Right, that should have filled it up enough. Making a right mess of this, aren't I? Just making sure it's gone into those holes, so it should be soaking in. Right, I shall leave that, and I'll come back later today, because I'm in no hurry, and see if I can get the magnets out. Because I want to swap them around again. I've tried them in various configurations. I want to change them to all north on one side, or all south on the other side. It really doesn't matter which way round, but at the moment they're alternating north south, north south, north south. So as I say, I'll leave that, come back later and see if anything's happened. Well, I left it outside for a good hour or so, and it appears to have worked, at least partially. These three have come out with no problem. The other three are the ones that I took out last time and re-glued, so they may have a thicker layer of glue on them. Because they haven't popped out as easily, I'm not going to force them out because I'm quite happy for them to stay there. Because what I want to do is turn over these three magnets so they're the same way round. So we need a bit more super glue again. Right, make sure we get them the right way up. We want them to be the same way as the existing magnets. So that one's in there. That one's in there. And that one's in there. So they're all facing the same way now. This surface feels, it's not sticky, it's just odd. I have wiped all that nail polish cleaner off it, but it still feels a little bit odd. Right, so what we're going to do now is put it back on here. I'm going to try it this way up. To push it in gently, otherwise the magnets jump up to there or down to the bottom. Right, that's a little bit too low. Get a bit of extra light. Wants to get going. I know that if I give it a little push, it'll go fine. Apart from the fact we've got that flickery light on it again. Really can't make up my mind whether it goes better north-south, north-south, or all north or all south. Let's turn it over. Yeah, we don't want that flickery light, do we? Okay, well, we'll just have to leave it and see how it gets on. It looked like it was happier starting that way up, didn't it? Could actually drop it down a little bit, it's quite high. That's enough time on there, nearly up to 10 minutes just messing around with this. Still, that's all the magnets facing the same way. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.